Something has been nudging you for days now, a thought, a feeling, a small pull toward Allah that you keep pushing aside because you're busy, because it's not the right time, because you'll deal with it later. I need you to stop for the next few minutes, because if you ignore this one today, you might spend a long time wishing you hadn't. You've been treating this sign like it's permanent, like it'll still be sitting there whenever you finally get around to it. But signs don't work that way. The feeling that's tugging at you right now, the urge to pray properly again, the pull to finally make that dua, the quiet reminder to fix something you've been avoiding. It doesn't stay this loud forever. If you keep pushing it aside, it eventually goes quiet. Not because Allah stopped sending it, but because you trained yourself to stop hearing it. I'm not going to pretend I know exactly what's tugging at you, but you do. You knew the second this video started what part of your life this was pointing to. That's not coincidence. That's the sign already doing its job. The fact that something specific came to mind instead of nothing at all means you're not confused about what needs to change. You're just avoiding it. You won't regret ignoring this today. Regret doesn't work on your schedule. It shows up later in a quiet moment months from now, when you finally realize how much time you spent circling the same guilt instead of just dealing with it. The version of you sitting here right now has the least resistance to fixing this that you'll ever have. Every day you wait adds one more layer of avoidance you'll eventually have to peel back. Some people think if they just don't think about it, the sign eventually stops applying to them. It doesn't work that way. The prayer you keep delaying is still owed. The dua you haven't made is still needed. The person you haven't forgiven is still waiting on the other side of your decision. Ignoring a sign doesn't erase what it was pointing to. It just delays the moment you'll finally have to face it, usually under harder circumstances than today. You already know what this was about. Don't let today be another day you almost listened. Comment, I know what it is, if something specific came to mind while watching this, and if someone you know has been ignoring their own sign for too long, send this to them. Allah Hafiz.